This is where America's most iconic motorcycle engines first meet the camera.
The meticulous adjustments continue as the factory floor hums with unseen activity.
Witness the intricate dance of precision, where raw power is meticulously shaped into perfection. The subtle imperfections speak of genuine human handling and meticulous craftsmanship.
The engine, a symbol of power, is meticulously placed, ready for its next stage of testing. After final assembly, each unit is meticulously inspected. Our commitment to quality ensures flawless performance.
Quality control is paramount, ensuring every component meets exacting standards.
The engine moves along, a testament to the meticulous work performed by the skilled hands that built it. The worker focuses intently, ensuring each component is perfectly set for the next stage. The worker meticulously checks each engine mount, ensuring precise alignment before the next stage. A worker intervenes with precise, steady hands to ensure the engine's smooth passage. The scene transitions to the raw material origin section of the factory. Every engine begins as rugged American steel, shaped for legendary performance. The narrator provides context as industrial machinery hums and metal clanks.
The intense work demands focus as sparks fly and metal yields to the blade.
Aluminum ingots arrive, a crucial step in the manufacturing process. The raw materials for Harley's precision components are carefully prepared in this vital stage. Outside the factory, a crane loads raw metal parts while the wind gusts.
The workers meticulously inspect each steel rod, searching for hidden flaws. The relentless grind shapes raw metal, a testament to human perseverance. The hum of industry continues, punctuated by the subtle sounds of ongoing work.
A hydraulic press slams down, shaping raw metal into uniform starter forms.
The worker signals, and the cart begins its journey across the factory floor.
From across America, raw materials travel miles before becoming Harley heartbeats. The truck enters the factory grounds, a vital cog in the industrial machine.
The large truck carefully maneuvers into its designated bay, guided by precise signals.
The process begins as the forklift carefully extracts the first pallet from the truck. The warehouse hums with activity as materials are processed, each step carefully managed.
The process is methodical, each item logged with precision.
The intake floor buzzes with the steady rhythm of incoming goods. The meticulous process of material verification ensures product integrity before it moves on. The routine of the factory floor is momentarily disrupted by a small, unexpected event. The pre-sorting process demands keen eyes, and steady hands. The precise weighing of materials is crucial for quality control. The raw materials are now transferred to the conveyor, beginning their journey into the main factory. Sorting begins as raw metal finds its path toward transformation.
Here we see the intricate dance between man and machine, a symphony of whirring servos and human oversight. Amidst the powerful cleaning process, a lone worker navigates the forceful air, a moment of quiet action in the industrial hum. The meticulous process of manual grading is essential. Even with advanced technology, the human eye remains. The scene meticulously details the precise work of a technician examining a component. The vibration table precisely aligns raw parts, a testament to the factory's meticulous processes.
The automated process, while precise, is subject to minor imperfections, a common sight on the factory floor.
Precision is paramount. Here, microscopic debris is gently lifted from the components, ensuring flawless pre-machining preparation.
The processing wing awaits as raw materials are guided towards their next transformation.
The conveyor shifts direction, guiding prepared materials towards the machining corridor.
Precision machining shapes the steel into the heart of every Harley engine. The cutting process begins, a symphony of precision and raw power. The automated sequence begins, a testament to precision engineering. The precision of automated drilling creates minute spirals of metal, collected for analysis. The rotating clamps flip the part, a process requiring constant vigilance. The scanner meticulously maps every contour, while the technician diligently records the critical data. The robotic arm continues its precise movements, watched by the vigilant technician. The micro-precision of the CNC unit demands absolute focus from its operator. The technician makes a subtle adjustment, ensuring the precise flow of components. The conveyor carries finished pieces toward the forging section, where a worker ensures everything is secure. The intense heat of the furnace demands constant vigilance from the workers. The relentless power of the press shapes metal, while workers maintain a precise rhythm. The raw heat and immense pressure transform raw metal into the heart of power. The intense heat and raw power of molten metal are carefully controlled. The cooling process continues, a critical stage where form takes hold. The mold opens, revealing the new engine section, ready for meticulous inspection. The pressing machine groans under immense pressure, its hydraulic hiss filling the air. The robotic arm precisely places the newly formed frame, a worker ensuring its perfect alignment. A critical inspection ensures every detail is perfect before moving on. The careful organization of parts lays the foundation for flawless assembly. The shaped metal frames move down a conveyor toward the assembly hall. Here, individual parts unite to form the legendary Harley-Davidson engine. The precision of the assembly line is a symphony of focused effort and subtle sounds. The worker carefully aligns the housing, ensuring a perfect fit.
The worker aligns the gears. A quiet sneeze causes a rag to sway.
The technician meticulously aligns the wiring bundles, ensuring every connection is secure. The audible snap confirms.
The robotic arm completes its cycle. Its precision, a testament to advanced programming.
The hum intensifies, a subtle tremor indicating nearby machinery has powered up.
The sensor must be precisely aligned before installation. Once secured, the test light confirms activation. The large components are now securely locked into place, ready for the next stage of assembly.
The workers perform a structural integrity check, listening for subtle pitch variations indicating proper fit.
The final bracket is secured, a testament to the meticulous work of the assembly line. The engine, now fully assembled, makes its way to the final finishing section. Every engine now receives its final touch, the unmistakable Harley finish.
Hammerjet. The robotic arms apply the base coat with millimeter precision. Ensuring the correct thickness, however, still the wet paint beads along the curved fin, a testament to the meticulous application process. It is this authentic texture that defines the quality. The spinning wheel transforms the engine casing, scattering sparks. This level of polishing realism is the result of... Each detail is a testament to the legacy of American muscle.
The parts enter the curing tunnel, their journey into durability just beginning. The meticulous process of quality control ensures every surface meets exacting standards.
The workers meticulously apply the final protective coat, ensuring a flawless finish.
The robotic buffer hums methodically, its pad vibrating subtly, creating shimmering highlights on the engine. The scene focuses on the precise alignment of iconic logos, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship.
The factory floor hums with activity, a symphony of precision and potential hazards. Every engine endures rigorous testing before earning its place on the road. The machine applies immense, controlled force, testing the limits of the engine's resilience.
The engine undergoes rigorous testing, pushing its limits under controlled conditions.
The rig intensifies, pushing the engine to its limits. The test station hums to life, its lights a chaotic dance of diagnostics. The scanner meticulously checks for the smallest flaws, ensuring peak performance. The seal integrity test reveals subtle pressure differentials through rising bubbles. The simulation test intensifies as virtual road conditions are analyzed in real time.
The scene focuses on the meticulous process of final engine inspection, highlighting the precision involved.
Here we see the final inspection stage, where every engine is precisely seated within its protective casing.
After final approval, the engines are immediately wrapped in a high-gloss protective film, a critical step before they are shipped out.
The lift table rises, stabilizing the load as the factory hums with activity.
These engines now begin their journey from factory floor to American highways. The forklift begins its precise task of loading the trailer. Application realism is key as workers meticulously check each pallet before it moves on. The loading bay buzzes with activity, a choreographed dance of machinery and workers.
The trailer lights flicker as the engine ignites, a sign of the work continuing beyond the bay.
The workers meticulously secure the engine, ensuring its safe transport. The loading dock prepares for the next stage of the operation. The final engines are loaded, a testament to the day's meticulous work. The heavy doors seal the cargo, ensuring its safe passage through the night. The truck departs, leaving behind the quiet hum of the factory and the solitary observer.
The vast industrial complex hums with activity, a world of constant motion and precise operations.
From raw steel to roaring engines, this is how Harley-Davidson keeps America moving.